Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about gold. I wanted to start with the 4-hour chart, zoomed out, show you what we're working on here in the gold sector. Yeah, talking about gold futures here. We have a 5-wave move up of the October 22 lows into the May 23 highs. Yeah, anybody who's been following us along that way knows that we've been tracking impulsive movements to the upside. They have nicely materialized. Then we were watching for a pullback. It's been very long and draining, but we did enter our support area, trend reversal area, and now we could be in this third wave rally. So are we in the third wave rally? That's a question that cannot be answered yet. I'm definitely watching for it. I am on alert for a continuation in this third wave rally. But first of all, we need to understand if we really have bottomed here in the beginning of October. Yeah, this bottoming structure that formed here could certainly have been all of wave 2. After wave 1 peaked in May, the wave 2 completed an ABC structure in which the B wave was an Elliott wave triangle, which can be counted in 5 waves as an A, B, C, D, E structure. I then saw 5 waves to the downside and highlighted to you when we turned around that we had potential 5 waves to the upside on the smaller time frames. Since then, we have been tracking this potential move to the upside within wave 3. However, wave 3 consists of 5 waves. We've got circle wave 1 here, circle wave 2, circle wave 3, circle wave 4, circle wave 5. So we would be looking for a 5-wave move to the upside. Now, we are, however, in wave 1 of 3, so still very much in the beginning. And without that first deep pullback in wave 2, we cannot really call it a real breakout. Okay, the real breakout would be a third of a third wave. It's basically a very aggressive trend. So that's what we're watching for. We first watch for completion of circle wave 1. As soon as that's the case, I'm going to define a pullback for circle wave 2. So that's primarily what I'm watching for. In this video, I wanted to explore how the structure here looks like, and I want to give you a key target area for circle wave 1. So how can we measure the target for circle wave 1? There are so many different ways of doing it. The most convenient way is typically that we take the length of the larger degree wave 1, which is here, larger wave 1, take the length. We go to the low of the wave 2. Just have to activate all the fibs. And then you can see that we already reached the 38.2 fib extension. So to be clear, we've got the possibility that wave 1 could already be finished here because the 38.2 extension level is typically something that's being respected by a wave 1 of wave 3. However, we haven't got 5 waves yet, so I'm still watching for higher potentially, as long as a certain support level is holding that we're going to talk about. One key level is as well here the $2,130 level. So somewhere in this region, we should see completion of circle wave 1. Then we should see circle wave 2. And then if we get that, then we can be on high alert for a breakout in wave 3. Okay, so let me take that out and let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we can understand this as follows. We have a small 1-2 set up to the upside. We have a wave 3 that might have peaked here on the 27th of October and now the wave 4 pullback. I've got support unchanged from the previous update at 1949. As long as 1949 is holding, I'm still watching for a 5th wave to the upside. Oh, yeah, and as soon as it starts, I can refine the target a little bit better because then we can use this information here for the calculation of a target for wave 5. So sort of just a little bit more precisely, right? I mean, if I calculate it now, I'd be watching first for 2056 and then $2,107. This is sort of the ideal target box. 5th waves, however, in commodities oftentimes extend. Just need to be aware of that. There's also potential that this 3rd wave actually did sit here and we had just an overshooting B wave because it looks a bit like a 3-wave move to the upside, right? But that doesn't really make a great difference. It just makes a difference as to where I set the support. So 1945 if I measure wave 3 here, 1949 if I've got it up there. So yeah, I can't rule out it goes like $4 lower, right? But we talk about a sustained break anyway, so we shouldn't get too focused on that. So a sustained break below the 50% FIB level will cause me not to look anymore for a wave 5. Yeah, that's sort of the situation here on the gold chart. So really not much happened since the last update. What would be a first indication that the move to the upside has started? Well, it would be a break above this high at 2019 US dollars. And then I think we can watch for the price to get into this region between 2057 and $2,107. That's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 and regular updates about stocks, check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You can find it in the description. You get daily updates about the S&P intraday as well, plus a video update. And also we cover the NASDAQ at the moment as well on a daily basis, even though that's not officially included. So yeah, check it out. Links are in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.